Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to use screencast or screen mirroring on Infinix Hot 50i. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.